In today's quick tip, I'm going to show you all how you can rename a batch of files quickly and easily. So let's get to it. So you see here, I have opened up Mac here. And what I'm going to do here is I got a folder here that I created earlier. And inside of here, I have a bunch of different files. Now, this feature is kind of useful, especially if you have like a bunch of, maybe a bunch of pictures that you have from a vacation, and maybe they're kind of named all these weird file types, right, or file names, and you want them kind of just be all about, let's say, Monterey Beach, right? You just want them all say Monterey Beach or what have you, or maybe you want them to say Daytona Beach, and you want to say Daytona Beach 1, Daytona Beach 2, Daytona Beach 3. But you got all this crazy file type, and you don't want to do it. Maybe you got 30 photos like that, and you don't want to individually click on each one and rename it, right? So a quick and easy way to do so is to highlight them all. You can either click here and just drag like that, or you can come up here to edit and hit select all. Once you do so, you're going to right click, you're going to hit rename, and then a lot of times it'll come up with this dialog box, replace text, but you want to be on format, okay? And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to say I want it to be called, maybe it's Daytona Beach, right? And I'm going to say Daytona Beach, and I'm going to say start at number 1. So you see here an example, it's going to show you what the file's going to call. It's going to be Daytona Beach 1 docs. Now, of course, I'm just doing a Word file because I didn't have any pictures I wanted to rename, but it works the same on Word documents or anything, picture files or what have you. Once you do that, you just hit rename, and voila, it has been renamed. Now, you're like, but it's not in order. Well, that's simple. You can just go ahead and hit sort by and hit name, and there you go. It's all in order there for you. Pretty neat, huh? Well, if you all enjoyed this episode, don't forget to hit that like button down below. And if you want to see more of these episodes in the near future, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. And with that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you next episode. Take care.